Hello, thanks for stopping by, and I'd like to show you how to buy a brand new $3,794 furnace for only $486. Labor. Hello, I'm Joe Cunningham, an industry veteran with over 25 years in the business, and I'm the president of your air conditioning company, Houston's most trusted heating and air conditioning company, and I'd like to tell you about a remarkable offer we have just for you right now. Now, I know this is going to be hard to believe, but it's absolutely true. You can actually replace your old and probably very inefficient furnace and air conditioner for up to $2,864 less than you would have to pay at any other time. And let me take a minute to explain just how. You see, the air conditioning business can be very seasonal, and every year the first 3 slow months of the year have killed my business. I've lost a ton of money during these killer months, and it takes me the remaining 9 months of the year to make up for them. And I predict this year may be the exact same, and I'd like to avoid that this year. So, after a little study, I think I figured out a way to make my problem a great opportunity for you. You see, I've decided to give up trying to make a profit during the killer months. I thought, if I can just minimize my losses during the slow months, I will come out ahead the other 9 months and keep my top-notch employees busy. Here's how this admittedly daring offer came about. Every winter we negotiate huge discounts and stocking plans with our vendors. Of course, we never seem to come out right. There is always some inventory that I must hold over until the next season. Because of the quantity and the time of the year, I have decided to put a special package together. These are new 2014 models. These are not seconds or blems or standard builder models. They are factory-fresh, premium matched air conditioners and furnaces, and have a full factory warranty. And I've created a way for you to get a new furnace for a zip. You see, because I negotiated well, I was able to buy matched furnace and air conditioning systems for less than I thought possible. So if you buy one of these new premium air conditioners, but only if one of the 4 sizes I have will fit your house, of course, I'm giving you the furnace free. And here's how it works. Just call 281-444-1174 anytime to schedule an appointment. We will come out and perform a heat loss analysis on your home and determine the availability of the proper size to see if we have the proper system for your home. And if we do, we will give you a complete high-efficiency system at a price we can't honor any other time of the year. And please don't forget, I only have a very few of these matched systems in 4 sizes, and we are installing every week. So, when they are gone, this remarkable offer also ends. And by making this irresistible offer, even though I barely mark it above the below wholesale price I paid, I will accomplish 2 things. Number 1, I will cover my rent, utilities, insurance, and taxes in the killer months. And number 2, I can pay my professional staff to work instead of paying them to sit at home. And if I can accomplish these 2 objectives, I will minimize my losses, and the rest of the year can be a winner. Now, remember, to learn how this works, there is no obligation, even after we measure the house and completely explain the installation. There is absolutely no obligation. If you decide you don't want to take advantage of the spectacular savings, that's okay. I will even give you a surprise gift worth $50 if your unit is over 10 years old, just because you were kind enough to watch this message and give me a chance to solve my problem. I want you to think well of your air conditioning company even if you don't buy. And you can even buy with no cash. You don't even have to pay me right away. In fact, with your approved credit, I can offer you a 6 or 12-month, no-payment, deferred interest payment plan. And consider this. If you decide to make monthly investments beyond the first 6 months, the entire amount of your payments would likely be offset by the savings on your utility bills. It's like having your cake and eating it too. And I'm so confident that you will save at least 23% on your cooling and heating bills. I'm projecting more like 40% to 50%, that I will pay you double the difference for 6 months if you don't. There is no way you can lose. Your lower utility bills will probably make your payment. If these premium systems were not among the best on the market, I couldn't afford to make such a promise. And here's why this offer can't last. 1. I only have access to 13 of each of the 4 sizes. When all of the air conditioners are sold and all the free furnaces are given away in that particular size, that's it. There are no more at this price. 2. If I have any of the systems left on March 1st, although I doubt I will, this offer still ends. Here's why. The only reason I am making the low or non-profit for me offer is because of the killer months. My business always starts improving in the spring, and since the furnaces didn't cost me anything, I can sell them at regular prices next fall and still come out ahead. Give us a call now at 281-444-1174, and we will set up an appointment for your no-obligation survey, or schedule online at www.youraircode.com. I'm Joe Cunningham with Your Air Conditioning Company, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video. I hope you will profit greatly because of it, and let us be your heating and cooling service provider for a lifetime. Your Air Conditioning Company, LLC, Texas Air Conditioning License, TACLB 49469E.